So today is Sunday, June 18th. It's the day after the competition banquet and everything, when they announced the results. I think we did pretty well. I'm just off to get it. Going to get some breakfast. It's almost 8 o'clock, just like being close. It's around 7:45 right now. Again, it looks like I'm the first one up. So yeah, today's last day. We stay at a hotel, at least here, in Lexington Park. Or I guess technically it's Hollywood or whatever. And then we head off and go to a different hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get breakfast.
And you know who else I was talking to this morning?
You were talking to the guy from the other team.
Team India. Yeah, one of the Indian teams.
I saw you.
2 years ago, they were first.
Before the
This time, they were 15th.
Oh no.
So we kicked their butt.
When were they first?
2 years ago, 2015.
I don't think, were they really?
That's what a bunch of new guys.
Like us next year.
You'll do better.
You'll do better. I hope so. I hope so.
I believe in you, Dad.
Oh, your words, they are praise unbeknownst to me.
And I also believe in Jackie.
Look at that.
Jackie's got this.
Look at that.
Oh, thank you, sir.
The team captain bestows confidence upon us.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Until next
But
I have received your blessings.
in blog, I will talk about magnificent achievement.
Okay.
So we're in Washington D.C.
West Falls Church train station, to be precise.
Yeah, we're gonna train our way into the National Mall.
Like we always do.
Get a good view of Donald Trump.
Yep.
It's gonna be good. Yeah.
Probably get some nice street food because in the National Mall there's always cars around there.
Maybe you can get a nice coffee as well. That'd be nice.
Yeah. So someone here's got to go for the coffee all day.
Addict.
Coffee
Yeah.
right here. What?
We're waiting here in the car right now for Brian and Rajesh to catch up in their separate car in their van.
Because they're slow pokes.
Yeah. And then Jackie's gonna go meet with his friend that he met in Germany. Because he was a friggin' traitor.
He's so cute.
But yeah, after that we're gonna go check out maybe some museums. Do the obligatory museum walk. Check out some big buildings.
Some big monuments, some big stone people.
Yeah, big stone people. We'll get some footage as you'll see coming up next.
Small.
But then after that, we'll probably go back to our hotel. It's also by the Dulles Airport, so we'll probably be close enough to the car rental place to drop off one of our cars since Cindy's back home in Calgary now. Last night it was the banquet. We're all pretty happy with our results.
That's pretty cool.
And,
pretty cool.
It was a pretty late night.
Yeah.
It was such a late night that it was an early morning.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. Waking up at like 9:40. We made it! We made it! Whoa! It's a train!
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's actually just a train.
say we go inside.
Sebastian, I need a crazy reaction. Lunchtime, eating their food, they're having lots of fun.
It's very good.
On to the Jefferson Memorial! So Rajesh and I checked out the National Gallery, which I didn't get to see much last time. It's pretty awesome. Saw a lot of stuff that I wish I saw. Cool statues, awesome paintings of landscapes. Checked out Washington, or the White House, and I checked out the Abe Lincoln Memorial, and now we're on our way to the Jefferson Memorial on our bikes. Let's quickly check out the Roosevelt statue here. It's good guy Teddy. Wait, Franklin. I called Franklin Roosevelt Teddy Roosevelt. And the lady gave me the funniest look. Alright, that's the end of the monument tour. We're gonna go back to pick up Sebastian and go home to the hotel. Hey, Mr. Stinker.
Hey,
you got some nice pants, huh?
And we have the see Rajesh in his wild habitat. He takes pictures of unsuspecting Trumpsipotas. Yes, this is the Rajesh in his natural habitat. Very focused, very competent, and the ability.
Pose again, Brian, please. Great. Can you guys scooch in just a little bit? Think so? Some of that. We need a bit more symmetry. Maybe Brian's in the middle, then there's going to be that background tail.
Okay, Sebastian. That's not gonna work. That's probably good.
I'm probably centered. Yeah.
Oh, I'll definitely get a good footage of Brian's butt, so be ready for it.
Oh
yeah.
Be right back.
Oh. Yeah. It's gonna zoom in. I'm gonna play some like hookah shake in the background, and then it'll be very brief.
And then some nice shots of Brian smiling, because it's a fun.
He has a pleasant smile.
He really is. Okay.
The world's sexiest man on all of planet Earth, Rajesh Augustine.